Hello, Alicia with Sunshine Studios here doing a Halloween Dollar Tree makeover with Paint Couture. I added crust to the side for a bit of aged texture and grit. Hi! So the crust is dry. I let it sit overnight. And now I'm doing a base coat on one candle holder of Black Pearl. And the other one, I'm doing a blend of red velvet, Polynesian pink, and Tuscan Sun. And I'm being pretty heavy-handed with the amount of paint I'm putting on the brush. I'm now doing a second layer for the base coating on each candlestick holder. Okay, everything is dry. I am going to add my finishing touches. So on this one, I'm dry brushing Black Pearl over the blend. And dry brushing is a teeny amount of paint. You can see here I'm getting the majority of the paint off of the brush. And even if it takes many layers, which often it does, you're still better off having very little paint on the brush because it's easy to add, but it's really a pain if you get too much on and have to remove it. And now I'm doing the same thing, only the opposite. I'm dry brushing red velvet, Polynesian pink, and Tuscan Sun over the base of the Black Pearl. Okay, and there you have it, my done in a day Dollar Tree Halloween candlestick makeovers with extra rainbow, grit, and grunge.